In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Discord on your Windows computer. Start by opening your web browser, then search for Discord and press Enter. Click on the official website, discord.com. Once you're on the site, you can either click the Download button in the top menu or scroll down and select Download for Windows. If you prefer, you can also use Discord directly in your browser without installing it. After the download is complete, click Show in Folder, then right-click on the Discord setup file and choose Run as Administrator. If a Windows security prompt appears, just confirm it. The installer will now download and install Discord on your computer. When it's done, the app will open automatically. From there, you can log into your account and start using Discord right away. You'll also notice a desktop shortcut has been created, and you can find Discord anytime by searching for it in the Start menu.